How to make money selling free ebook online with copy and paste method. In this video, I'm going to use payhip to show you how you can get your first sale for free and easy and fast method. I'm not going to talk about the tutorials. I already made a couple of videos with that. I put the card and the link in the description. Go and check out those videos. This video is not about tutorial. I'm gonna show you the simple way that you can get your first sales and make passive income by selling free ebook online. Before we get into videos, I make money making videos, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video per day. If not, there's one video every other day. So subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. If you want to win 10 pound PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And when this video 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video, guys. So we're going to use a payhip as a platform to sell our free ebook. So if you go to Google and type PLR ebook downloads, there's a couple of websites that are there. You can download a bunch of them for free. Some of them ask you to create an account, so you can download up to 200 for free. My favorite one is PLR. I have a subscription with them because I can download a fresh and new ebook when it's released. So that's the reason. If you can't afford that, you can go to a bunch of other sites and download the free ebook that you want. Then you're gonna use a payhip as a platform, or you can use eBay, whatever. I'm gonna release new videos on other platform where you can sell ebook. Is coming in soon, but in this case I'm gonna use a payhip as a platform. I already made a video on tutorials, and like I said again, I put the card and the link in the description. Go and check out those videos if you have missed about tutorials about on a payhip. So I put that in the description. So you can see from here, I have a couple of ebooks, no sales but getting views every single day. But one of these ebook is called Intermittent Fasting Formula. Is about diet plan. This is same ebook I sold it on eBay 2 times for 150 pounds. But here I listed it around $7.99. The reason I can show you why is a higher price, but this is the ebook getting more views. You can see from here 379 organic view from that. So I want to promote this one and start to get first sale to make money from it. So first, what you have to do is gonna go to the website, which is completely free. I'm gonna generate a free article on intermittent fasting formula. This website is called ari.com. Like I said, some of the people said ari.com is not working in your country, so that's why I made a top 5 article generating softwares. And like I said, I put the link in the description and the card here. Go and check out those videos. So you can use one of those websites to generate a free article on intermittent fasting formula. So you can see from here, I already generate those articles, and here's my article. Just I copy that article and paste it on Grammarly. Now this is the trick that you need to understand. You can use Google document or Word document. What you have to do after you paste that your article into there, go to your dashboard and click open your ebook that you want, and after you open that, copy that link, and what you have to do, go to your article and insert that link. First I insert the link into the title so it's relevant, so I put highlight that part and insert the link here. Come down to bottom and put this one, get your ebook on intermittent fasting formula. Like I said again, put the link there and use this coupon 99 ebook to get 50% off. This is the reason I list this ebook for it's not $3.99, actually it's $7.99. So people can use their coupon code and get them for free. Actually, I don't know why it's not changing. Okay, go and edit section here. So you have to put higher price and leave them 50% off that, so people can choose the offer they want. So I'm gonna go $7.99, and if you go down bottom, say click service change, and if you refresh that, it's change it to $7.99. now you are giving 50% off coupon code, so people can use that code to get a half a price for that. So this is one of the easier way to get more customer by giving away that. So $7.99, when they use the coupon, they're gonna get half a price for that. Now you're done. You already find the ebook, you upload the ebook in the payhip, and you generate articles. So how you can get the traffic and how you can get them first sales on payhip? All you have to do was, once you've done the article, just copy this article. Like I said, copy and paste method. Copy this article exactly what is here. Now go to Google. This is the trick, so watch this video carefully. go to Google and type this one. This is the ebook title, intermittent fasting formula. Then put a space and type this one. It's called site colon Quora. This is the platform you're gonna get the questions similar to intermittent fasting formula, and put full stop and type star key in the end. You can change the Quora for different website, but in this case I'm going with Quora. After I did that, these are all the search result open on Google, that only on Quora. So you can see these are the people asking question about intermittent fasting diet or formula on Quora. You can see all the result on Quora. What you have to do now, click open each of them and copy and paste your answer. So this is the first question, so click this open and the next tab. After you open that, what you have to do, you're going to click answer. You're going to click this one called answer, and you're going to copy and paste your answer from the free article generator. So you copy and paste it here. All you have to do is submit, and you can repeat and rinse this method over and over again. Now remember this, payhip is not affiliate link. Okay, when you use affiliate link on Quora, they don't allow you to use that, and they will ban your account for 1 week, so you can't post anything on their account. But payhip is not affiliate link here. This is an actual URL link, so there's no problem because I used it in the previous. You can see in my account around 779 views all time, because I answer a couple of answers using this same method. I'm putting my link there, so it won't work worldwide. It won't cause any problem because it's not affiliate link, it's just a normal URL, so there's no issue with it, guys. So this is how you can get your free traffic to your payhip account. Then you can convert them in the sale, because those people asking questions only related to intermittent fasting formula. So whenever the people come and search similar questions, they find your article, they're interested in your article, then they just click the link and go to the offers. Maybe they buy the ebook. And also Quora will put your answer in the top of the page, because instead of you spamming the answer with lots of link and just giving one paragraph answer, instead you giving a more than 6-7 paragraph of big answer. So this key answer keep the people inside the Quora, so they read the article continuously. That's why I think they will recommend your answer in front of others, so you can get more views and more click, and you can get more sales from it, guys. This is the one of the way that you can get the free traffic to your payhip account, and you can make your first sale, so you can make passive income by selling free ebook, guys. So I hope this helpful. If lots of people asking how to get the sales, how to get free traffic, this is one of the way. I have other couple of ways. I will make videos on the future about that. If you really like a video, guys, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you want to really win a 10-pound PayPal money, you know the drill. Like this video, leave a comment, I like this video, and put your PayPal address. When this video hit 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next videos. Until that, have a pleasant day. See you in next video, guys.